Fucking mother. He almost pushed me into the. So hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today on my ride to Hampi from Anantapur, and shockingly today I am the first one to arrive on the meeting point. No one has come yet. Kalyan Koner is on the way and Chaitanya is yet to start. So first time ever I am first on the meeting point. Yeah, we need to fill the petrol, and the time right now is 6 o'clock exactly. The ride was supposed to start at 6, but these people are coming late, so it may be 6:30. I don't know. I'll just update you once they come. So everyone has arrived. The RE 350, Duke 390 and RS 200, and a car is also joining us for today. So let's see. Okay, so here we are officially leaving for the ride, and sorry for my bad voice because I don't know why my throat is paining a lot today. Oh my god, the road is really beautiful. The last time I came, that time there wasn't a proper road over here. But now, man, this looks really good now. So, this is our first toll plaza for the day. Jallipalli Toll Plaza. So just completed 40 kilometers and the view looks really amazing. There's a windmill, n number of windmills over here, and the road is also really good. It's not a highway, national highway, but still the road is really awesome. So he is giving a lift to the small boy. He's dropping him school. So from the past 20 kilometers the roads are like this. Average speed is like really low since so long. Completed 89 kilometers. Okay, so just finished having breakfast and I'm trying my hands on this 2018 Royal Enfield. What's it called as? A Royal Enfield Classic 350. I must say the vibration level has gone down if you compare it with the older models. The BS4 model is pretty much smooth.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Okay, I'm taking my words back. This isn't smooth. Once I cross 50, the whole body is vibrating. Oh my god, I don't know how he's riding this from that long. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm trying my hands on this beautiful machine, KTM Duke 390 2017 model. Yeah, it's a BS4 one. So from here it's just like 50 kilometers, and I hope the road will be good. Let's see. So far so good. just stopped here to click some pictures. It seems to be good. So we just stopped over here and encountering really bad roads since so long, and my ass is paining, dude. Literally my ass is paining. Such a bad road since so long, and there's no road actually. So we are going on this since so long and completed 146 kilometers, and the time right now is 11 o'clock. I don't know how long it's gonna take. So let's see. So far so good. Hampi is just 10 kilometers more or less. Oh my god.
Back home to you.
We didn't get a proper way after that 70 kilometers. Every now and then we are crossing villages, speed breakers, mud roads. We didn't find a proper road only. This is such an irritating ride for me. Worst road I can say. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, in Hampi officially. So we are finding a place for parking so that we can park our bikes and oh fuck. So that we can park our bikes and go inside the temple. Okay, luckily I got a good parking. I have shade also, so no worries. And the good point is today we have a car with us, so we can throw all this riding gear, helmet and everything inside. So yeah, let's see, let's explore the place. Let's see what Hampi has to offer us. So wait, let me show you how many kilometers we have completed since morning. So since morning we have completed 167.2 kilometers, and yeah, the ride was really hectic because of the roads. Yeah, but nevertheless, so far so good. Let's explore the place. So here's the luggage inside the car.
Don't
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we are heading back from Hampi. The time right now is 5 o'clock, and it will almost take 4 hours for us to reach our home. That means it will be 8:30 for sure. If we go without any stops, then we can reach home by 8:30. The car really came handy. We took a nap in that, and here we are exiting Hampi. Okay, so we are taking a different route this time because the road which came was really horrible. We expect this to be a little better than that. I don't say it offers good roads and all, but what I heard was this offers better roads than that. So let's see. Hope for the best. Construction everywhere. Obviously, because India is a developing country, and where development is taking place, their construction will be going on for sure. Maybe when you come in future, you will be having a great roads. It's not always fun to go on a straight road as well. You have to go on these kind of roads. Maybe the future generation won't be so lucky to do all this stuff. Fucking he's coming on to me since so long. I even shouted at him 2 times, but still, like an idiot, he is overtaking everyone from the right and left. He almost pushed me into the into the open space which was there a couple of miles ago. Camera wasn't switched on then. Look how he's going in a wrong way. Fucking. And because of these kind of idiots, these things happen. Fuck. Loafer. He really scared the shit out of us. Okay, fine, let's go. Okay, so it's completely dark now. I can't see anything with the visor on, so I need to keep the visor open, and with that I can't go more than 50 or 60, and all the insects will be going into my eyes directly now. So that's really a problem right now. Let's see what happens. Okay, this Google Maps isn't working well. I don't know why. It's making things really worse now. I hope we reach home safely. Anantapur. Oh God, we are stuck in this city since so long. We are roaming here and there, we are not able to find the way, and the Google is also playing with us, and we haven't taken a break. That's a shocking news. Since 2 hours, since 2 or 3 hours, we haven't taken a single break, and the roads are like really horrible, but still we are riding because we need to reach home soon. This ride is becoming hard because of my visor. All the insects are going inside my helmet, inside my eye, and I'm continuously the TSL rolling down my cheek, but we cannot stop. There's no one except us on this road. I can barely see someone passing on this road, so we really need to be careful, because in these kinds of roads there are most chances of robbery and all. And this road is really scary. So yeah, hope for the best. So far, so good.
One eternity later.
Right. So just reached Anantapur and we'll be going in our own ways. So the time right now is 8:16, and from here my home is like 5 to 6 kilometers. From here my home is like 5 to 6 kilometers, and my camera's battery dead, and so I'm recording in my phone right now. So that's it for today. If you all like the video, then give it a big fat thumbs up for sure, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever my new video comes out. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, ciao.